Zimbabwe don't bring us another one, oh my people. All the people where they stay for Ninowe village, this one they for Zimbabwe. In fact, they don't bring matter come outside. Oh my people, this one shock me. This woman, they say they catch am red-handed. They breastfeed snake. In fact, I don't even know how these people they manage, they do all these plenty things. They say they catch and they breastfeed the snake. And this one they happen for your own friend house. Now so they carry the matter go report. And as they talk to now this matter now, they deal with them for court. They court of law now. And this thing when it happen after she breastfeed the snake finish, and so she carry plate of food. Oh, the witness when they tell us say she don't know waiting they inside the plate, but she knows say she they breastfeed after breastfeeding the snake. He carry plate of food. When they give the snake. After the snake chop that food, now so the woman start they talk. They talk to the snake. They tell the snake. They give her names of people where she want me the snake go deal with. This snake where they talk about people when they talk say, Madam Aproko, if you see this snake, they wrap red cloth. They wrap am with red cloth. The snake even wear beads. Oh more, I don't tire, my people. I don't tire. Zimbabwe. I beg. I don't know how many of them I don't notice this thing, but Zimbabwe that in fact, it don't they pass us. It don't they pass us with all this plenty this thing. How you go just day? And then I go they tell me say no rituals, no rituals, all these things no they happen. Person no fit use your destiny. Person no una dey see am. So this one wetin una go call am? No be rituals. She dey church like that. Make una better see start dey believe all these things so because they happen. Hey, may God just get mercy. In fact, people see human beings where God creates for your own pleasure. Now this woman don't turn herself. Now they I don't know whether to even call the snake in Peking. Because people they tell me say maybe she not get children, maybe now only that snake be the company where she get. This thing no be money, ritual money. I know they see any money where this woman need. This matter will happen like this, no be money. And they think because for her to even mention names of people, meaning say maybe they don't offend her, maybe person don't make her angry. Now she won't pay back or one. I don't know, but this one a revenge. I just they see revenge here. Fear women, oh, hey, women, because now only woman, discuss with serpents. For that Adam and Eve matter, now only woman talk with them. None of us, we don't know what they discuss. We just know say they discuss something. Fear women. If woman tell you, you will see. Or he tell you, I will deal with you. My brother, my brother, beg. Beg. If you not feel beg, say run for your life because the way, see, the thing will go fall on top you. You no go believe her. Women. Ha. Snake. Una see the big, see the things I not just understand. How una go just they worship, I be they play with this no Zimbabwe rituals. You don't pass Benin. Benin they learn work. Benin don't even get anything. This one. And I dey wonder what the government even they do concerning all these things. Because una go dey hear matters like this, and people like this now una go still dey leave them make they waka free for road. Who knows sef all the people names wey she don't mention finish? Who knows whether those ones they still dey alive now? Una no go investigate inside this matter. This one now tomorrow una go dey say and dey waka again for free for road. Abeg see if una ask me, Angel Michael, Abi Angel Gabriel, anybody where they in charge of this trumpet, it be like say they go just blow am now because we are ready. In fact, I am ready. I don't tire. I am ready. No, anything new again. For una eye, anything new. No, waiting remain. We don't hear many things. Waiting remain now. Where person go come outside, we go they shocking to us. Where we go stand and shake. Nothing new. No be person breastfeed dog. No be person rape in daughter. No be person. No, waiting remain. See, these people mean business. In fact, they mean serious. All these people wanna they see rituals. They mean serious business. If you like, continue dey sit down there. They talk say it's not real, it's not real. Continue. Now when they carry your name enter this snake matter, now then you go know say they very real. I dey tell una every day. Life na spiritual. Life na spiritual. They go just use your head play tumbo finish. Imagine person go just sit down. Carry red cloth, black cloth, tie them together, carry needle, chook am. Wherever you are, the thing will come affect you. And una they tell me say no, this life no spiritual. They fit just carry one doll baby like that. Now they watch all these movies. Doll baby, they go carry her, put her inside one konkoni, bam. They don't lock your destiny. Now they tell me say life no dey. No, sit down there, continue. Now when it shell for your eye go open. My people, Zimbabwe now they on serious fire as I dey talk to una now. And we never get result from the court, but now for a year una go still get am. Whether they arrest the woman or they no arrest her, just they hope say at least make their government get sense pass our own. Very, very important, because our own we no even get government again. But anyhow, now here you go still get the update. Now why you need subscribe and share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen. Drop your comments and I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. Another domestic violence. This one happen for people where, in fact, these ones they just marry. Okay, not too recent, but they don't marry. And the people where they talk to about na bigger Ben and Chidima. This man wey marry this woman with him own money, he give her a ring, everything. My people, before you know, and so we start the year post pass, just a beat the woman, beat the woman. And this thing where they tell you like this, it don't they happen since. And the family of this woman wey dey in question now, they support the man. Like they tell the man, say no, we no want make you leave her pikin. No. If the daughter even complain to the mother, because she don't complain several times, say mommy, this thing they happen. No. The mother go they tell and say, hey, I no want make you lose your husband. I no want make you do this one. In fact, my people, if you not see this girl mouth, if I even they look for how I go even describe, I know they see her. Blood full everywhere. The beating they massive. Her hand everywhere. Just they bloody. Now I say make her bring and come. So that I go see what they talk about. So for now, when no Chidima had the mouth just disqualified. Join me, make we watch the video. You shock una? Una no go believe say even doctor wait, this girl go doctor. He go see doctor say, oh yeah, treat me. The same doctor even they tell and say, no report the case, no snap picture, no poster online. This doctor. No be even that one I come for now today. The main one now be say this girl come outside and I have reconciled with my husband. Please, you people should leave us because say this one. Person will marry person. We talk say you love him. So I beg, before I go talk with me, I won't talk. Join me, make we listen to Madam Reconciliation.
Please, I've settled with my husband though. I've settled because
I have settled with my husband. We have settled. Your foolishness, you know the dictionary. In fact, I dey try check because I no just understand. Some people just dey fall in love mumu way. Which school na they learn this love from? Because me, I no go that school and I refuse. In fact, I want be illiterate. If not like this, they love. No, make you continue to dey settle, Madam Settler. You go settle with your husband. until one of your eye disappear, then you go know say you still dey settle matter. They scatter your mouth finish. My people, this girl mouth, you know understand, she no even fit talk that time. The thing there, you know, if she won't talk like this, and so the thing go dey pain now. They even guys use wetin they call that thing, metallic inside the mouth. Now you dey come outside. We have settled. I have settled with my husband. Since you know say you go settle with this your husband, madam, why you make am public matter? You for just collect the beating in private, keep am, swallow and endure am. Why you bring her outside? She even involve bloggers. She just dey beg bloggers, say, abeg oh, help me share this matter oh, my husband want to kill me oh, egba me oh. You share am to bloggers finish. Now, you don't make am our business. Now, wetin I always dey talk with this. Now, you dey come outside, they tell us, hey, you have settled with your husband. See, now I know they like they put my mouth for all these wedded and couples things. I know just they like am because see my people, you go just become third party. And this one, as it don't happen like this, all the people where they involved, both the bloggers, oh, both the gas blog, oh, all of them, now they go become enemies. If you don't say you put your mind, because they go use you settle. Before you know, and now, when they don't settle, they don't on top bed, they jiggy. They go come and so the husband go come start, hey baby, who were those people that were telling you, leave this man, leave. By the time you start to mention names, that man will come start to attack them. They go use you settle. You know, see, I don't tire for my gender. Women, hi, I don't tire. See, woman feel almost die now. Just rubbing head. Baby, I'm sorry. She go forget. She go forget saying that in fact, say they just plan for burial. They almost plan for a burial. She go just forget her. We just sabi embarrass ourselves. Now this kind of behavior they make people say they just make up their mind, say, for this life I no go help anybody again. Because of people like this. You go bring matter, we go use our energy, our money, our data, our everything. They propagate and they look for help for you. Then you go start, they come outside, they disappoint us, they bring. I bet we will start to mind our business. Oh. Now wait till I just discover my people. It better me will start to mind our business. Because I don't know when women go learn, say, any man will hit you first, it go hit you second, it go hit you third. Like that. Till that death do you part. Now you remember that death we una do for church. I will love you till death do us apart. It go dey beat you till that death come. I no just dey understand. Your mama self no even see. Women, start to learn. Oh, learn to stand and fight for yourself. Because this life when we come now, you're on your own. Nobody go. You come alone. Oh. When your mama they push you out, you come with person. Even twins they come one after the other. You don't see twins where they come once, except to save those ones. They get one problem like that, where their head join together. Normally, twins, even one go first come before the other one. You are on your own, learn to dey fight. See, not be everything your family go support, but you on your own, you suppose not say, this thing no dey good for me, this thing dey good for me. Even doctor. See, una suppose open una eye. Normal level. Woman wey marry man, where the man dey beat am, where the woman family dey against the man still dey beat am. Not to talk of you, where your mama even dey support the man wey dey beat you. Your brother, matter even reach me say they get one time where they beat am, the brother go, where the brother dey try intervene, dey fight. Now so this woman husband bite the brother finger. He bite am. The finger come dey do like e dey shake. You feel say this thing don almost dey fall. Now that one, now you dey come outside. I no just understand. Hey, Chineke me. Who do women this thing? Who do us this thing? We need to start revive. In fact, may all night start. Prayer meeting. Every woman. Continue to do love. Hey, love. He loves me. I love him. He this one. He that. For how much? This one now, if you check and save, how much they get? How much this man get? We won't come kill you. See, I know people where, if you see the kind lavish, where they lavish them with money, yet the man no they touch them like this. Money, You small gown wey dey just buy you, one red gown for valentine, the thing don turn your head. Just anytime when you remember that gown, maybe I forgive you. How much gown? See, money dey this life. Make una stop dey do management. I want to manage. No dey manage for toxic relationship biko. No dey manage o. People wey manage today, we know where they dey. We do their burial last month. They manage. When they remove that your eye, I still dey talk am. Na that time you go know say you know dey train, abi you know dey correct man wey don grow. Because they no fit change. E get people wey if you see them, you know say this one fit change. My people, see, beating a woman, you no fit change from that habit o. The first day wey you try am, e be like one spirit something. Na addiction. Any small thing wey the woman just do, you go just wan start dey. Abeg, dey very careful biko. Careful who una dey choose as partners. Careful who una dey. In fact, this marriage thing. Anyhow, since many of una don take am as achievement, say una go talk say, if I leave now, what will people say? That statement, e don send many people to their grave. So if you like continue, what will people say? Better make you walk out alive, make people talk, than make you die in silence. Very, very important. Now I say make I bring this matter here now, because this woman, she don put me to shame. I waste my data, they propagate, they send. In fact, even they insult the man up and down. Now see am. I don't shut up. My people, I beg, listen to this word. A word is enough for the wise. And if you know say they watch me, you dey inside this kind thing, walk out. Walk away, very, very important. You understand? Now the matter be this, my people. So start to drop the comment. Anything you guys talk concerning this woman. And make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know say they need learn to mind their business. And subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.